Hello, children. Today we are going to start with chapter 6, that is Saudi Arabia. It's a sandy desert, right? So, in this chapter, I will tell you about the desert, the location, and the land part that lies in the Saudi Arabia. So, here some warm up question has been given. You have to recognize and label the picture. So, what is desert? It is a barren land, or it's a landscape or a basin that receives what? Extremely low amount of rainfall. Less than enough to support growth of most plants. Desert, where they are located in tropics and what we call them hot desert, right? And most of the desert in the worlds, where do they lie? In the western part of continent. The reason for such location are what? इसकी जो लोकेशन है यहाँ पे क्यों है? बिकॉज ऑफ द what? Dry trade winds blowing here and the coast. Now Saudi Arabia and the location. So if you look at the map over here to the east of the Red Sea, अगर हम बात करें कि जो रेड सी है उसके ईस्ट में क्या लाया करता है? अरेबियन पेनिनसुला. It is a peninsula. Why? Because it is too like India. It is surrounded by water on three sides. Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of this region, and it lies in a big country, and country surrounded by Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Iraq, Kuwait, UAE, Oman, Democratic Republic of Yemen, and Qatar. And the days, if we talk about the days in the Saudi Arabia, these are very hot days and the nights are relatively cold and the area receive very little rainfall. And coastal areas, जो यहाँ के coastal areas हैं, वो desert area से comparatively क्या रहते हैं? थोड़े cold रहते हैं. So there are few hill stations like Abha, which remains quite cool in summer. And let's read about Jeddah, which is a seaport. And it also has a very big airport. People from far and near come here by air and sea. Air से आते हैं या फिर sea से आते हैं. So you can see that we have Makkah and Medina, the greatest pilgrim center of the followers of Islam. Riyadh is the capital city of Saudi Arabia. And if we talk about the modern city, it is also your Riyadh, which is the capital of Saudi Arabia. As you know that जो जिद्दा है वो आपकी मॉडर्न भी है, रिच सिटी भी है एंड इट इज द होल. अगर हम बात करें पूरी तरीके से तो एक रिच कंट्री भी है. It has a large reserve of mineral oil. The mineral oil is buried deep under its sands and this mineral oil yields petroleum, जिसको हम क्या करते हैं? एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं ऑलमोस्ट एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इन रिटर्न इफ वी टॉक अबाउट व्हाट वी कॉल इट इज इट्स लिक्विड गोल्ड आल्सो, जिससे आपकी इनॉर्मस वेल्थ आती है. In Saudi Arabia, if we talk about, one would find the best modern facilities. What are those modern facilities? Like skyscrapers, shopping areas, arcades, business center, educational institution, all lies over here. One, you find that best in electronic goods, car, refrigerator, and conditioner, air conditioner, that is AC, and this is that list. Mineral oil is taken out and is refined into petroleum and other products related to it. Oil is taken out in very large quantities. अगर हम बात करें oil को एक vast quantity में यहाँ पे extract करा जाता है. From oil field it is sent to harbors through huge pipelines. After oil has reached the harbor, it is filled and special ships जो होती है उनके थ्रू इनको लिया जाता है, लेके जाया जाता है, जिन्हें क्या कहते हैं? टैंकर्स कहते हैं. If we talk about the people, they have become brave and tough. How? Due to their harsh surrounding, such people travel in caravans. And camel, if we talk about, it's a useful animal. And when you were in the smaller class, it is also taught that camel is called the ship of the desert. It can travel very easily on burning hot sand. Even though it is extremely hot, camels can stay without water. बिना पानी के भी ये बहुत दिनों तक stay कर सकते हैं. Because of various advantages, the camel has been rightly named ship of desert. जो traders होते हैं वो अपने goods carry करते हैं camels के back पे for trading in towns and cities. After a little travel with traders, we can stay on with the local Bedouins, and these people move from one place to another throughout their life. And what we call such people? They are nomads. Right? These people are very hospitable. They speak Arabic through their lives and they rear and graze sheep, goats, camel, and horses. So, if we talk about this water, so here you will see a very rare spot water in Saudi Arabia. There are some water less river channels. यहाँ पे बिना पानी के rivers channels भी आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. And rains are here scarce in the month of 2 throughout the year. Because of this rainfall, a few grasses grow here. Right? आपको यहाँ पे ज्यादातर कांटे वाले पेड़ देखने को मिलेंगे, जैसे shrubs हो गए, आपके cactus हो गए, ये देखने को मिलता है. द पीपल कीप मूविंग. भाई लोग हैं, डेजर्ट एरिया है, वहां पे तो सब कुछ अवेलेबल होता नहीं है, तो लोग एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस मूव करते रहते हैं. द वेदर इज कूल एंड प्लीजेंट इन द मॉर्निंग. एज द सन राइजेस टेम्परेचर ऑल्सो राइजेस. जैसे जैसे सन हायर जाता है, हीट क्या हो जाती है, अनबियरेबल होती है, लोग सहन नहीं कर पाते. द क्लोथ्स worn by these people are loose and they wear a headdress which protects these people from heat and dust. The Bedouins have to face severe dust storm. और जो Bedouins होते हैं ये क्या फेस करते हैं? Severe dust storm. During such storms, the camel lie down with the Bedouins, taking shelter behind the faithful animal. Even their other animals lie down with their backs towards the storm. During night, if we talk about, यहाँ पे ठंडा हो जाता है मौसम. What we find here, sand dunes in these areas, they are big mounds or hillocks made of loose sand. As the wind blow, जैसे जैसे wind blow करती है, जो sand dunes होते हैं वो change होने लग जाते हैं. And sometimes green watery spots may be found in the desert. Such spots are called oases. And where they are situated in the lowland, lowland में situated होते हैं. And there is a permanent spring and underground water here. In the oases, we may find orchards ऑफ डेट पाम. यहाँ पे आपको डेट पाम के जो ऑर्चार्ड्स होते हैं वो देखने को मिलते हैं. एंड सम पीपल आर ऑल्सो देयर जो व्हीट और बार्ले भी कल्टीवेट करते हैं. सम पीपल प्रेफर टू सेटल इन सच एरिया, जहाँ पे स्मॉल विलेज होते हैं. मोस्टली यहाँ पे लोग पीपल जो होते हैं वो ट्रेडर्स होते हैं, एनिमल्स को रेस करते हैं एंड दे एक्सचेंज सेलिंग देयर लैम्ब, शीप, goats and blankets. Bedouins women were very fond of ornaments. The lives of Bedouins was changing rapidly. They now prefer to settle in one place and roam about. अब क्या करते हैं, वो एक प्लेस पे ही सेटल करते हैं. एंड दे ऑल्सो यूज जीप्स एंड मोटर कार्स. ठीक है. दे ऑल्सो हैव मेनी अदर मॉडर्न एमिनिटीज एंड फैसिलिटीज. वी फाइंड मेनी रिफाइनरीज हियर. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी रिफाइनरीज देखने को मिलेगी. एंड इट इज दैट दिस प्लेस दैट क्रूड ऑयल इज रिफाइंड इनटू पेट्रोल, डीजल एंड अदर पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स. Many factories have also come up here and they produce various kinds of goods. We also find schools, colleges and other educational institutions. Saudi Arabia imports many things required by the people all around, and things like meat, fish, vegetables are exported from India to Saudi Arabia. In return, we get them from large quantities of crude oil, and we see that India has a good trade relation with Saudi Arabia. एक अच्छा खासा trade relation है Saudi Arabia के साथ. We see that how man had adapted himself in the extreme climate and surroundings. Hot desert like one in Saudi Arabia is found almost everywhere in the world. Look at the world map. सारा डेजर्ट आप देखेंगे जो नॉर्थ अफ्रीका में लाया करता है. थार डेजर्ट इंडिया में. वी हैव ऑस्ट्रेलियन डेजर्ट जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में लाया करता है. कालाहारी Saudi Arabia or Colorado, North America. These are the different deserts that you should keep in mind, right? So here some fact parts is also given. Is Makkah welcome experience 20 million visitor. Children, man has also struggled to lead the better life. He had successfully adapted himself at each places he lived, and man has proved that hard work can even turn a desert into prosperous land, right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.